Looking for a powerful solution to migrate MDaemon emails into PDF file format? If yes, download the PC.email converter software designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Tap on the Open button. There are multiple options are available. Select email servers and choose MDaemon. Here you can see choose file and folder option. We are choosing the MDaemon folder that contain the user profile data. As you see now, all the emails from the mailbox are listed one by one in the software interface. Now, click the listed email folder. Now, click the email to view the message in the defined preview window. Users can preview the complete content of the email with all the details like subject, signature, and more. The tool also allows the viewing the email's attachment. Right-click on the attachment and choose from Open, Save and Save All option. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on Open button. The software provides export option to convert Curio emails into email files, email service, and document files. We are selecting PDF format. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save MDaemon conversion result. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. The next is skip grayed Outlook folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your email account. Other is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Show page number. If you want to insert page number on PDF file, enable this option. If you want to save attachment in a separate folder, enable the required option. If you want to save PDF attachment at a relative path, please enable the option. You can also check the file naming option to store email data after conversion like subject, subject plus date, custom naming, and others. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of MDaemon conversion. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button and go to Open folder. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get MDaemon emails converted into PDF file.